Hey Royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed and finessed this gorgeous 22-inch closure body wave unit that I received from Unice Hair, their AliExpress store. This is their 22-inch 4x4 closure wig in 150% density. So this was a quick and easy install because it's a closure wig, so you don't really have to do much to a closure wig than use your got2b free spray or any glue of your desired choice. I went in with my Duvolle Desire 32ml curling wand. This is also in collaboration with their company, and I'll also leave a discount code in my description bar down below. My discount code is ROANA70, so you can use that if you are interested in purchasing a curling one. So I really didn't do much to this unit other than install it, and did a minimalistic amount of baby hairs, and I curled the hair prior. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this 22-inch closure unit from Unice Hair, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and also to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the install. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Unice Hair Company on AliExpress. This is the cute little box that the wig came in. Inside of the box, along with the wig, I received some goodies. I received this cute pair of eyelashes, a pair of stocking cap, some cute earrings, and an edge brush. So a bit about this wig: they sent me over their 22-inch body wave texture 4x4 closure wig in the density of 150%. So this hair came pre-plucked. A bit about the cap construction of the inside of the wig: it has 2 combs on each side, 1 to the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps as well to adjust the wig to your particular liking. So this is how the knot on the wig is looking. I went ahead to bleach the knots before I installed the wig, and this body wave wig has a lot of volume and the flow is everything. So let's jump right into the installation process. So to begin this install, the curling wand that I'm going to be using today to curl my body wave wig is in collaboration with Duvolle Desire. They sent me over their 32mm curling wand, and it came in this black box right here. And you can also use my discount code, which is ROANA70, to save you some money off of your next purchase. So inside of the box, I received their 32ml curling wand along with a glove and their care instructions for the curling wand. So this is a 32 barrel curling wand, as you can see, and this curling wand comes with an on and off button, and this curling wand goes up to 360 degrees. So let's jump right into how I do my pin curls on my body wave. I'm just going to be doing some pin curls, so I'm going to be using these metal curl clips to create the pin curls. So I'm just using my curling wand from Duvolle Desire to create these curls, and after I finish curling each hair, I just go in just to take my hands to like crimp it up, and then I apply the curling clips. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process until the entire wig is curled, you guys. So after I'm completed with doing the pin curls on this wig, I'm just going in to set the curls using my Studio
2000 system hairspray. So I'm just applying that all over the hair. So let's jump right into the installation process.
And I went ahead already to do some pin curls on this wig, so it would actually save me some time. It's gonna be quick and easy. So I went ahead already to sleek my hair back with some Gorilla. So when it comes to laying my natural hair, Gorilla Snot in Punk works wonders, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off the lace to the back before I go ahead to install this wig. As you guys can see, this is where I'm going to lay the install today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clean off the extra makeup to the front using my rubbing alcohol.
So after I finish cleaning my skin with my rubbing alcohol, I'm just gonna cut off the 2 tabs to the side of the closure wig before I begin my installation process. So I'm using my Black Radiance True Contour palette just to tint the wig a little bit more.
So I'm using my Bold Hold active glue today to lay this install.
So I'm just going to be using 2 thin layers of this Bold Hold active glue today to do this closure wig install. After I finish applying the first layer, I blend that out with the end of my razor comb, and then I'm just going in with my blow dryer until it's tacky.
And now I'm going in with another layer of the glue.
So I'm just going to continue to repeat the same process as I did the first time before I begin to lay this 4x4 body wave closure from Unice hair. So once the glue is dried, I'm just pushing the lace into the glue, and I'm taking my comb and then my blow dryer just to secure everything in place, you guys. So after I finish securing the lace into the glue, I am just going to go in with my blast free spray.
Take the spray, pat it on my fingers to prevent the spray from going all over.
So when I'm done applying my Got To Be Blast Free spray, I go back in with my blow dryer, and then I'm just gonna tie down my hair with my elastic band to melt the lace a little bit.
And I'm just gonna leave that.
And while the lace is melting, to speed up the process, I'm just going over that with my blow dryer.
So you guys, so while that is melting, I'm just gonna try my best to take out these curls.
So after I finish taking out all of the pins, this is how the hair is looking. The curls is giving body, it's giving a volume, it's just giving like bridal inspired curls, you guys. So now I'm just gonna work on cutting off the lace. So I'm just gonna clip back some of the hair to begin to cut off the extra lace to the front. So I'm going to go back and forth with my shears and my razor comb just to cut off the lace to the front portion. So I'm just gonna be working on cutting off the extra lace. So after I finish cutting off the lace to the front, I'm going back over with my Got To Be Blast Free spray and then go in with my blow dryer just to blow dry that a bit, and then I'm just gonna go ahead to melt the lace a bit more again before I begin to work on my baby hairs.
So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna let that melt for a while and then I'm gonna get back.
So I'm just gonna go in a little bit with my thermal hot comb just to sleek everything out, and it's time for me to work on my baby hairs. So today I'm just gonna be doing a minimalistic amount of baby hairs. I'm just gonna be doing 2 swoops. So after I finish taking out the portion in which I'm going to create my baby hairs with, I'm just gonna pluck the hair a bit with my tweezers, and then I'm just gonna cut that down with my razor comb and my shears back and forth. So after I finish doing that, to begin to lay my baby hairs, I'm gonna be using my Got To Be Ultra Glue.
My Ultra Glued to lay.
So I'm just gonna be using my styling edge brush to swoop my baby hairs in the direction in which I want them to go, and if they're a bit too long, I go back in with my shears just to cut it down a bit to my liking. So I'm just gonna continue to swoop swoop until I get my baby hairs the way I want them to. So I'm just gonna continue to work on my baby hairs until they are perfected to my liking. So after I finish swooping my baby hairs, I go in with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray, and it's time to work on my sideburns. So once I finish laying my baby hairs and everything is perfected to my liking, this is how the hair is looking.
So how I want it is to be like in a 90.
So once the curls are in the direction I want them to go, I'm just going back in with a little bit of the Got To Be Blast Free Spray so that the top portion of the wig can get a bit of volume so that it can fall the way I want it to fall. So after I finish getting everything the way I want it, I'm just gonna go ahead to pin the hair up.
Continue to like.
So once I have the curls pinned the way I want it to go, I'm going in with my ISO Plus hairspray just to set the top portion of the wig before I go in with my thermal hot comb. So I'm just getting the wig together and then I'm just going over that with my hot comb to make sure everything is how I want it to be, you guys. And so far the wig is giving like bridal inspired curls. The curls kind of fell a bit, as you guys could see, but I still made it work and it was still cute. So I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Contour Powder Palette just to perfect the parting space on this wig. So once I have the wig in the direction I want it, I'm just going to set that with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray. So after I finish setting the curls a bit, I'm going back over with my ISO hairspray, and that concludes the end result of my install, you guys.
Let that sit for a while and I'm gonna be right back with the end result, you guys. So you guys, this is the end result of my install of my 4x4 closure wig that I got from Unice Hair. So a bit about this wig. This is a 150% density closure wig, and this unit retails for $133.40 on their AliExpress site, and they have shorter lengths in this unit. They have 12 inches and it goes up to 28 inches on their hair side. They're having a sale from November the 11th to the 12th, so you can save some money off of your next purchase if you are interested in purchasing this body wave wig from Unice Hair. This unit is super soft and this is how long the wig is. This concludes the end result of the installation process of my 4x4 closure unit that I received from Unice Hair. So far so good. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and go ahead and take advantage of their sale that they're having from November the 11th until November the 12th on any purchase that you desire. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next one, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.